Hariom parents, dear children, today I am going to teach you a beautiful lesson that is called lesson 5 Ganesha breaks Kuber's pride. You must have heard Lord Ganesha's name, yes or no? In your school also you must be observing Ganesh Puja. Who is then Kuber, children? Kuber is also one god who is the god of wealth, yes or no? So today how Ganesha broke माने केमिति को गणेश कुबेरंकर गर्भ को भांगी देले ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी हमें पढ़िबा. When man remains humble, all kinds of luxury and happiness come towards him. When man remains humble माने सबुबले जने जदि humble रहइबो जे कि बहुत भद्र रहइबो एवं बहुत भद्रामी रहइबो, all kinds of luxury and happiness comes towards him in his life. माने जेतेबेले मनीष बहुत भद्रामी रहइबो, बहुत भलरे रहइबो, सब टाइप रो सुख एवं ताको संपत्ति भगवान देइतांती. But when he becomes proud and arrogant, माने से जेतेबेले बहुत गर्व अनुभव करे और arrogant जे कि काहा कथा भी से सुने ने बहुत ईगो फील करे, सेतेबेले कोन करंती? God starts punishing him. भगवान ताको पनिशमेंट देबाटा आरंभ करंती. It is difficult to do away with one's pride, but one should behave rationally with elders, especially with God. So, it is very difficult to do away with one's pride. जनकर गर्व को हमें भांगिवाटा बहुत कष्ट, किंतु one should stay without all this ego feeling. Children, are you proud of your grade in class, money, or your parents, your friends? Did you misbehave with any person because of that? Children, in your class anybody is very rich and he is very much feeling very proud about his father's wealth and he comes first in the class, means have you any time experienced with your this type of friend, children? If yes, then you will be understanding this lesson. If no, then I am going to explain it. So children, in this lesson, Lord Kubera, he arranged one big banquet. Banquet माने one bhoji. He arranged one very good feast for all the gods and he invited Lord Shiva also. But Lord Shiva said, no, I am not going to come. I will send my son Ganesha. So Kubera felt very sad, but he tried to arrange as grand as beautiful, so that everybody will praise him. पिला माने जत्तबेले भी मन रखिथिबो तम घरे गुटे जिनिस जत्तबेले करछो तमे भाबिया को हबो नै जे हम घर को आसी समस्त वाओ कोंतु बढ़िया अछि कोंतु. You arrange beautifully so that they will appreciate and go, but you never think all these things mentally and do anything. So here also Kubera was very proud. I will arrange so beautifully so that everybody will talk about me. But Lord Ganesha broke all his proudness and he made him realize that you should never show proudness. Proudness will never make you prosper or development. So children, what happened? One day Kubera, the god of wealth, I told children, जे हमें लक्ष्मी भगवान को जेमती पूजा करिवो, कुबेर मध्ये सेमती धनर भगवान माने वेल्थ र भगवान. One day Kubera, the god of wealth, decided to host a grand feast. He wanted the feast to be as impressive as possible. He asked his minister to ensure that the feast was so splendid that nobody had seen anything like that. To add more prestige to the feast, he decided to invite Lord Shiva as the chief guest. So what happened? One day, Kubera arranged one feast and he told his minister and all, you arrange in such a good function so that nobody must have seen ever in their life, and I will especially invite Lord Shiva as my chief guest. Lord Shiva knew that Kuber wanted to display his wealth and that was why he was organizing the feast. So when Kubera came to invite Lord Shiva, he refused his invitation, but he said that his son little Ganesha would attend the feast. Kubera was upset. He had really wanted Lord Shiva to come, but since a member from his family would come, Kubera thought would ensure that the food and the decoration would be such that the little boy had never seen before. So children, I told you, you should never show proudness and arrange all the things and invite the guest so that never you think mentally that somebody will come and see my so beautiful house and my arrangement, and they will they let them appreciate me. So when he went to, he wanted to call Lord Shiva as the chief guest. He went to Lord Shiva and called him, but Lord Shiva said, no, I am not going to come to attend your feast, but I will send my little Ganesha to your feast. So what Kubera thought, okay, little Ganesha, let him come, and little Ganesha also will he will think that I have never seen this type of such a beautiful grand feast. So you should never think like that, children. It is never, it is always very bad thought. So what happened? On the day, the feast, Kubera sat in his throne and looked around at the assembled guests. Everybody he had invited had come. Everybody wanted to see the big organized by the Lord of Wealth, Kubera. Could also not hide his pride when he saw in anticipation of his guest faces. Just then, little Ganesha entered the hall. The moment he entered the hall, he announced that he was hungry. Kuber's help took him to the dining area and started serving him all the delicacies that had been prepared. So what happened, children? Now he wanted, when he arranged such a big feast, all the guests, all important guests also came, and everybody, Kubera was sitting on the throne, mane se tanga singhasana basikiri dekutile, all the guests were coming and they were praising him. Taku bahut prasansa karutile, wow, such a grand feast he has arranged and such a beautiful decoration he has done. So Kubera was listening all these things. At that time, little Ganesha entered. When little Ganesha entered, what he wanted to do actually, children, he wanted to ତାଙ୍କ ଗର୍ବ ଭାଙ୍ଗିବା ପାଇଁ ଆସିଥିଲେ ଗଣେଶ. Always, children, remember, whenever we will also think in our life, in daily life, definitely our proudness will break by somebody or other. The God only will punish us. Like that only, Ganesha, as soon as entered the hall, he said, I am feeling very hungry. I am feeling very hungry. Then what happened? All the beautiful items, tasty items are prepared. Everything was served to little Ganesha. Se sabu jako badhiya jinsa tanku badivara arambo kale. As soon as if you will go, children, to somebody's bhoji, you will say that I am feeling hungry, give me fast. Will you say like that? But Ganesha, knowingly, he wanted to break his proudness, so that he started telling, I want to eat immediately, I want to eat. So then all the items, the tasty items, what all is being prepared by Lord Kubera, they started serving Ganesha. Semane that Ganesha ko badi vata arambo kale. Little Ganesha ate everything and asked for more. So what happened? Little Ganesha ate all the things at a time. Give me more, give me more. He started troubling Lord Kubera. Surprised the aides then got him larger portion of the food, and little Ganesha devoured them too. Devoured mane sabbu jako se khai doutile. He didn't say no. Devoured mane he didn't say no. What all they were serving him, he was eating everything. Fatapat he was eating and completing. He didn't say no to any item. Panicking this idea, this thing, aides now got him huge portion which were meant for thousands of guests present. But little Ganesha ate them too, and he said still he was hungry. Thousands of people, what it was prepared, all the items are served to Ganesha, and Ganesha ate all, and he said, no, it is not fulfilling my stomach. I am feeling still hungry. Give me more food. Give me more food. He cried aloud. He shouted and started crying. I am feeling hungry. Give me more food, he shouted. He was hungry and he ran to the kitchen. So what happened? Ganesha, like helpless only after eating 1,000 people's food also, he ran to the kitchen. He ate everything that was there. What was there in the kitchen also, he ate up all the food. Raw, semi-cooked, cooked, everything. Which was raw, koncha juta thila, odha rosa hitila, pura rosa hitila, sabbu jako khaidele. Kette maja lauchi podutile. Negi pilla mane, he could lay his hands on. The cooks and the were frantic. They were angry. what is this small boy came and everything frantic mane all the cook and everybody were getting angry by now. They did not know what to do. Little Ganesha had gulped everything before the guests started eating anything. He was gulped mane sabu jaka se at a time gili doutile. So before they could give any other guest the items, all the items over semi cooked जोटा कंचा थिला रोसे करे सेटा मध्ये सरीगला जोटा चुलीरे रोसे होतला सेगुडा मध्ये सरीगला. Kuber knew what was happening. Kuber was also god of wealth. He was very intelligent. He was understanding what was my mistake. I was intentionally showing my proudness. I wanted to show all the guests, calling them by giving them feast. I wanted to show my proudness to them, my arrangement, my wealth, everything I want to show them. That's why all these things happening. He was sweating and thinking of what little Ganesha had done. Mane very badly he was profusely mane very badly he was sweating. कौन गुटे problem हेले तो मन को मध्य झाड़ बाहरी वो कि नहीं पिलाने. So like that only the Kubera was sweating very badly and he was watching what little Ganesha was doing. The little one, frustrated with hunger, by now ran to Kuber. You have not prepared enough food for me, he sobbed. I am going home. Kuber panicked. He begged little Ganesha not to go. He said that the cooks were preparing what he wanted to eat, but little Ganesha paid no heed to his words, climbed his mouse and went home. So, after eating everything, Kuber was understanding what was his behavior, what intention he was having, and called all the guests. That's why God is giving me punishment. Suppose in your house any feast is arranging, children, and before reaching the guest only all the items will be over, miss, you will be very much worried. Like that only Kubera was worried and he realized also his mistake. Then now Ganesha started shouting at him. You didn't prepare anything. I am still hungry. You are not giving me anything. Mane, please stay, little Ganesha. The cooks are preparing. All the cooks are preparing. Whatever you want, they will provide you. But Ganesha, with a lot of angry and hungry way, he sat on his mouse and he went up to his home. Kuber also went behind him. Kuber also ran and went behind him. When he reached Mount Kailas, he heard little Ganesha complaining loudly to Lord Shiva. When Lord Shiva saw Kuber, he sent little Ganesha to his mother. Kuber, realizing his mistake, fell at Lord Shiva's feet and asked him forgiveness. I would never be proud of my wealth, my lord, he said. So what happened? When Ganesha went up, he was very much afraid Kuber. He left all the guests and he also ran back of Ganesha. Ganesha went and he was telling in Kailas Parvat, Papa, father, to Lord Shiva, he said, when I went, they didn't provide me sufficient food. And when he was complaining, back of him, Kubera entered and Lord Shiva said, go to your mother, I will talk to Kubera. Then he said, then Kubera realized his mistake and he said, please forgive me. मते क्षमा कर दियंतु भगवान मो बुझिदेली मोर भूल कोन. Lord Shiva smiled and blessed him. Suddenly all his empty vessels were full again and Kuber and his guests enjoyed the feast, but he remembered the lesson that the little Ganesha had taught him. So what happened? Lord Shiva, please forgive me. I realized my proudness, I realized my mistake. I will never behave again in my life. So please forgive me. As soon as Lord Shiva heard, he just blessed him and gave a big smile. As soon as Lord Shiva smiled, all the empty vessels of Lord Kubera's house, full of sweets and full of beautiful delicious items, and all the guests were enjoyed the food and they ate. But Kubera realized his mistake and he realized that little Ganesha came and what he has taught to him. Isn't it a beautiful lesson, children? Yes, it is very beautiful and giving you a very good moral. Thank you.